showing you guys one of my DIYs for Valentine's Day. And I'm going to show you all the things that I bought first, and then I'll come back on here and we can go ahead and jump right into the DIY. The things that I bought from Dollar Tree, these are going to be placed on my stove. They're dish towels. So I'm gonna put those to the side, but they were $1 each. So I got two of those, $2. I saw these cute little tins at the time while we were in there just now. And sometimes when you go in there, things go really quickly. So I was gonna get one, but I thought if I liked it, I might do two. So I went ahead and picked up two of those. And then I picked up 4 bunches of these white and kind of light pink blush flowers. They're roses. And then this floral, can't think what it's called, floral foam. It also came from Dollar Tree, but this is from a previous DIY that I did. I just still had a lot of it left over. So let's go ahead and get into this DIY. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is put the foam in the bottom of one of them. As I said, I got 2, but I'm probably not going to use the second one right now, just this first one. Oh, it's cute, it's in French. Flowers in the garden. So what I'm going to do first is put the foam down. I think I'm going to lay it flat for the most part. And then I'm going to have to cut the stems off of the roses. And I'm just going to shove them down into the foam. So let's get started on that. Some hot glue in the bottom of this, because as you see, they kind of float around in there. And I need them to sit still so I can shove in there. I'm also thinking about cutting one of these, because if I stuff it together, then they'll stay if I turn them the other direction. But it'll still be like a gap on one side or the other. So let me see. I think I might do hot glue, but I'm not just 100% sure. So I'll be right back. What it looks like finished, and I think I'm just gonna leave it this way for right now. It's just supposed to be a little piece for like a table or something of roses. And I kind of like the way it looks right now, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm not sure if I want to add to it or anything. like maybe ribbon or more bow, like a bow or something in red. Not sure yet, but for now, hold on. See, I should have hot glued it because the thing moves in there. So make sure that you secure your floral foam in there. But yeah, this is where we are. Okay, so thank you guys so much for tuning in to another one of my, I kicked the thing, my bad. Thank you guys for tuning in to another one of my DIYs. This is going to go probably on my dining room table or on my living room table. I'm probably going to put it on dining room first just because my little man likes to pluck at things. So we're going to leave it on the dining room table for right now. And I will show you guys it once I do my entire Valentine's decorate thing, I think. I think I'm going to do one of those. I haven't got everything that I wanted yet, but so far I've gotten a few things and I got those put up already. So I'll show it to you once I'm finished with everything. So thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.